Hello there, welcome back to another video. For this practice, all you need is a yoga mat, yourself, and a will to practice with me. It's an evening yoga flow, so that will help you to sleep well at night. So let's get started. First, sit in Vajrasana or Thunderbolt pose and spread your knees wide apart and try to bend forward and stretch your arms right in front of the body and try to grab your shoulder blades while keeping the elbows grounded. Stretch to the right side, back to the center, and then to the left. Try to keep your hips down as close to heel as possible. Keep breathing. Take some time to warm your spine and your shoulder, and then gently sit up. Now, try to reduce the stance between your knees. Sit in Vajrasana. Take your hands in front of the body and spread them to the sideways. Take it little wider than the shoulder distance and make it big, enlarged, and keep your hands straight upright and in your control. Keep breathing. When you inhale, bring hands forward, and with exhale, you spread them. Gradually spread the left leg out. Bring the right leg, the feet close to your hips and fold it couple of times. Bring the foot close to the left thigh. Keep the left leg erect and in control. Bring the right knee down. Grab the left big toe with the hands and take the hands up and stretch it to the sideways nicely. Deep inhalation and exhalations and breathe. Spread the right leg. Now bring the left foot close to the right thigh. Fold forward couple of times, 2 to 3 times, to give a good momentum to your knee and the legs. And after that, gradually drop the left knee down. Grab the right toe with the right fingers. Take the left leg in the air and gradually to the side. Breathe here and try to give a good stretch to your body. Once you feel comfortable, sit up straight and bring the hands down, legs forward. Now again fold the right knee and practice Shavasana. Inhale, hands up, and exhale, fold forward. You can keep the knee bended, the left knee bended, and try to grab the foot from the outside. Change your side, left foot close to the right groin. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold forward. Choose to fold the right knee if you need to. Keep the spine straight. Grab your big toe or hold the feet from the outside and breathe here. Inhale, hands goes in the air. Exhale, neutral position. Now this time spread both the legs in front of the body. Inhale and with exhale, fold forward, Paschimottanasana. Grab the big toes or hold the feet or choose to fold the knees. Fold forward, keep the spine neutral, no rounding your backs. And gently inhale, hands up, exhale, release. Breathe. Now, gradually fold both the legs and get into a comfortable Malasana. Use yoga block or bolster to support your hips. If you're finding it hard, keep your spine straight. Now from here, get into figure 4. Hips and knees in a line, shoulder and hands in a line. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look at the navel. Inhale, look up. Exhale, curl your spine. Now inhale here and take the right knee away from the body. Now left knee in 90-degree position and breathe over here. And with the exhale, try to get into a puppy pose where you keep your upper body, shoulders over the mat, knees and back of the leg on the mat, and try to slide a little bit and keep the hips up facing towards the ceiling and keep breathing. Breathe. Try to relax your nervous system and breathe as mindfully as you can, and gently lift up your head and rest your body over the mat, belly facing towards the mat. Now place your hands and practice a modified back bend. Look at the right heel and then to center and then to left heel and to center. It's amazing for your spine. It will help you to relax down, release all the stress from your body. Breathe. Now fold your legs. If possible, try to grab your feet or choose to keep your hands on the mat and then bring the legs back. Do a couple of times. And now relax in Makarasana. In Makarasana, you can keep your sideways head or you can keep the forehead on the mat. Choose your modification. And then gradually take the right foot next to your right side of the body. Fold your right knee in a way that you let your body relax completely. Keep your toe pointed at the back and relax. Breathe. Stay here for up to 10 counts of breath. Now bring the right foot back. This time take the left foot to the left side of the body. And similarly stay there for up to 10 breaths. Breathe. Focus on exhalations. Now bring the left foot back and gently now change the side and lie down over the back of your mat. Your back and the mat should be aligning with each other. Fold your feet. Keep the hands above your belly or at the chest. Breathe. Try to engage your core and breathe. And now get into a hug your knees pose. Hold it and keep breathing. Try to keep your lower spine grounded and do not put any stress on the neck. Hug your knee and look at between the knees or at the ceiling, but breathe. Spread your hands on the sideways. Do a gentle supinal twist. First to the right and then to the left. Breathe. Spread your leg in a straight line. In a perpendicular position, you can support your knees or back of the thigh and keep breathing. Hold it up to 10 to 15 rounds of breath. And once you feel ready, fold it back and bring the legs down. Spread your leg in a comfortable Shavasana position. Make all the changes. Let your back of the head relax. Your legs should be relaxed and widespread on the sides of the yoga mat. Hands away from the body or at above the head, wherever you feel more comfortable. Let your aware inhalations and exhalations make your body feel more relaxed, rejuvenated, and calm. Try to focus on exhalations more, longer exhalations. Try not to move your body. Choose hand variation if you need to connect with your breath. Maybe hands at the heart center or belly, or whatever makes you more comfortable. Connect yourself with your breath and continue breathing. Let your body feel relaxed. Don't make any movement in your body, but you stay aware, alert throughout the Shavasana practice. And once you feel relaxed, make some gentle movements in your body. Stretch your body in a line and gradually fold your leg. Turn to the side, either side, right or left side. Take your hand support and gently sit upright. You can continue Shavasana and fall asleep, or you choose to end this practice and give yourself some positive affirmations and say thank you to yourself for choosing to practice and feel less stressed and more relaxed before the sleep. Rub your palms, gather the energy, and gently look in between your palm and open your eyes. I hope you are feeling a little bit more relaxed and comfortable to fall asleep. If you have liked anything about this video, then hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, because that keeps me motivated to upload such more videos. And like I always say, keep practicing, and I'll definitely see you in the next video. Until next time, bye bye.